Hello friends, welcome to my another video. Today I am going to discuss a very interesting project, which is a very low cost writing machine involving servo only. Here I'm not using any stepper or any fancy farmer like GRBL, which is pretty complex. So I'm making it very simple, using only two servo uh, and some external power supply. We can draw very simple geometrical figure like triangle, square, etc. You can also make it very complex figure also using three servo for one servo for pen up down motion, one for the base and one for the L. So let's move to the construction here. As you see, this is my material I'm using. So I'm using two servo, third servo for a pen up down motion. A few ice cream sticks here. I'm using uh, on Arduino, to control the stepper or servo, and a small breadboard and jumper wire for connection, and three AAA batteries for power circuit and the glue gun. Now, next, this is my construction, and this is the ice cream stick, and we just attach two horns of the servo here in opposition. Uh, the length of the this ice cream sticks is around 8 centimeter, and you can change the size of this stick according to your construction. Now, one servo is attached here, and this servo will move from 0 to 180 degree. Another servo is attached here, and this servo will move from 0 to 180 degree also. And this is basically mimicking the movement of the hand. This is a base, and this is the elbow. Elbow is here, and pen is attached here. You can attach a third servo here for pen outbound motion. I'm just using only two servo. Now this is my complete setup, and I'm actually glue the base of the servo, first servo, to a plywood for stable motion. And this is the elbow junction, and I'm holding my pen using a clip here. Here you can attach another servo for a pen outbound motion to draw complex diagram. So, as you know, from servo, there are three wire coming out. One is for signal, another is red one for power, and the brown one for ground. So, the signal wire from base is connected to the 9 number pin here, and the signal from the elbow is connected to the 10 number pin here. And the ground of the external power supply is connected to the ground of the Arduino. Here I am using the external power supply because it draws pretty much current. So it is better to use external power supply instead of Arduino. Now you need some mathematics here to move the servo to the particular position. Suppose you want to move the servo from the XY position here, XY position to the servo to the XY position. So actually, a servo is moving in an angle. So we need to calculate the theta 1 and theta 2 in terms of an x and y. And this is done by the inverse kinematics, mathematics. From standard text, you can find out the conversion formula to convert the xy in terms of theta 1 and theta 2. And I am using some Arduino code which actually calculate the uh, theta 1 and theta 2 depending on the value of x and y. Suppose you give the value of 150 in a serial monitor by choosing the appropriate word rate 9600, and then Arduino code actually measures the angle theta 1 and theta 2 and move the base arm and the elbow to the desired position. So let's see my construction. This is my construction. I'm going to draw a very simple geometrical structure like a square. So please subscribe me and leave a comment. You can draw the written structure using this. And this is I can make it clean because of the structure. You can make the structure very fine so that you can draw a very structure. You can also use it for the idea of talk about the second and then Thank you for the please subscribe. Thank you very much.